You wake up, you look at the clock. 8 hours. Exactly as the doctors, the apps, and the experts promised. But as you swing your legs over the side of the bed, the weight hits you. It isn't a weight in your muscles. It isn't that groggy feeling of needing a cup of coffee. It's a heaviness in your chest, a fog in your mind that no amount of caffeine can touch. You're not just sleepy, you're soul tired. Meet Sam. Sam is what the world calls high functioning. Sam gets to work on time. Sam replies to emails. Sam remembers birthdays and pays the bills. But lately, Sam has been feeling like a ghost inhabiting a body. Every conversation feels like a script. Every task feels like climbing a mountain in flip-flops. Sam goes to bed early, hoping that tomorrow will be different, hoping that enough hours of unconsciousness will reset the system. But Sam wakes up every morning feeling just as drained as the night before. Maybe you are Sam. Maybe you've been told you're lazy. Or maybe you've told yourself that you're just burnt out from work. But there is a deep psychological difference between a body that needs rest and a soul that is exhausted. Physical tiredness is solved by sleep. Soul tiredness is solved by something much more difficult to find. Pause for a moment. Think about the last time you felt truly light. Not just not busy, but light. Most of us are carrying a mental backpack full of things we don't even realize we're holding. We carry the mask we wear for our coworkers. We carry the guilt of things we didn't do 5 years ago. We carry the quiet, vibrating anxiety of a world that never stops asking for our attention. When you spend your entire day performing, your brain never enters a state of true safety. You are in a constant state of low-level threat. Even when you are lying in bed, your subconscious is still on guard. It's scanning for the next problem. It's rehearsing the next difficult conversation. You are sleeping, but your soul is still working overtime. This is what psychologists call emotional labor. It's the energy it takes to suppress how you really feel so that you can keep the peace, or keep your job, or keep your relationship. If you spend all day pretending to be happy or pretending to be okay, you are burning a cheesy fuel that sleep cannot replenish. You are leaking energy through the cracks of your own authenticity. And then there is the burden of maybe. We live in a world of infinite choices and constant comparison. Your brain was never designed to process the highlights of 500 other people's lives before you've even had breakfast. Every time you scroll, you are making tiny, microscopic decisions. Should I want that? Why don't I have that? Am I behind? This is decision fatigue. It wears down the prefrontal cortex until you feel fuzzy. It's why you can't decide what to eat for dinner after a long day. Your brain has simply run out of yes, but perhaps the deepest reason for your soul tiredness is the absence of joy. Somewhere along the way, we started treating our lives like a checklist. We focus so much on maintenance, cleaning, working, sleeping, exercising, that we forget to actually live. If your life is all output and no input, you will eventually run dry. You aren't a battery that just needs to be plugged into a wall. You are a fire that needs oxygen. You need moments that make you forget your phone exists. You need conversations where you don't have to filter your words. You need to feel seen, not just watched. So, how do you fix a tired soul? It starts with an honest inventory. Look at your life and ask, what is leaking my energy? Is it a relationship where you do all the emotional lifting? Is it a job that asks you to compromise your values? Is it the way you talk to yourself when you make a mistake? The cure for soul tiredness isn't more sleep. It's sacred rest. It's the act of doing something that has no productivity value. It's sitting on a porch and watching the rain without checking your notifications. It's saying no to a social event because your internal battery is in the red, and for once, you're going to listen to it. It's allowing yourself to be unproductive without the crushing weight of guilt. Rest is not a reward for hard work. Rest is a human right. If you are Sam, if you are waking up heavy and wondering why the 8-hour rule isn't working for you, please listen. You aren't broken. You aren't lazy. You are just carrying too much of the world, and it's time to put some of it down. Your body needs the bed, but your soul needs the truth. It needs you to be yourself again. Take a deep breath. The world will wait for you. It's okay to be tired, but it's also okay to give yourself permission to come back to life. You've been strong for a long time. Now, try being honest. What is one thing you can put down today?